गोवा देशर सबुठारु लोकप्रिय पर्यटन स्थली एठाकू देश तथा विदेश पर्यटक माने बुलिबाक आसंते। कोरोना पूर्व गोवा रे पर्यटकों भीड़ लगुला जहाँफल गोवावासी भल व्यवसाय भी होता। मात्र कोरोना माड़े भांगी जाइछि गोवा पर्यटन अंटा बदली जाइछि एही लोकप्रिय पर्यटन स्थलीर चित्र।
देशर लोकप्रिय पर्यटन स्थली गोवार परिवेश एवं खाँ खाँ खाली पड़ी समुद्र कूल नाही लोकंक गहली चहली रास्ता घाट सबु सुनसान केवल अतीतर सुखद स्मृति को साउंटिबा छड़ा आउ किछि बाकी नाही।
On a normal day, a jet ski like this would have been in the beaches of Goa ferrying some of its tourists. There would have been children on a seashore like this who would be building sand castles. But all of them stands demolished as COVID-19 impacts the coastal state of Goa and hampers one of its most important industries, which is the tourism industry.
कोरोना माड़े सबुठारु अधिक प्रभावित होइछन्ति होटेल मालिक। आगरु सबु बेले पर्यटकों गहली लागी रहुतुला। पूर्वरु होटेल गुड़िक सबु बुक हो जाउतुला, किछि भी होटेल फांका रहुनथुला। किंतु एबे सबु होटेल फांका पड़िथिबा बेले पर्यटन शिल्प एक प्रकार ठप हो जाइछि।
Impact is very huge and hopefully we are asking the government, we have met couple of times as well before, some kind of relief in electricity or in maintenance or some kind of water, and then we need to be open for business. Okay. Otherwise this will be impact, we cannot take it anymore. Okay. The hoteliers, we cannot take it anymore simply because we are solely dependent on tourism. And then if there are no tourists coming to Goa or in India, we will be shattered.
एभली प्रतिकूल परिस्थितिर सम्मुखीन होउछन्ति समुद्र कूलरे थिबा होटेल मालिक और वाटर स्पोर्ट्स परिचालक। व्यवसाय पाई सेमाने ऋण करिथान्ति, हेले कोरोना जगु व्यवसाय मांदा होई जिबारु एबे ऋण परिशोध करिबा भी असंभव होई पड़िछि। केवल एतिकि नुहे, दुर्भाग्य एपरि जे एभली परिस्थितिरे ऋण छाड़ पाई सेमाने अनुरोध कले भी ताहा ग्रहण करा जिबा नै कोनोसी संकेत मिलु नाही।
Water sports equipment like winch boats and it's very costly, like 60 lakhs and all per boat. So it is a lot of load is there now because there is no business. Earlier it was easier for us to pay and all because there's a business and there is no help from the government. Also we request them also to do help us.
So we had a very tough time last season. It will be very difficult if this things continues next season. It will be very difficult for us to manage.
Okay.
I hope that this will stop somewhere.
On a normal day, there would be family members who would be enjoying the pool here in Goa. On the other hand, there would be even senior citizens lying and enjoying on deck beds like these. But today, the scenario is completely different in Goa, where tourism has been impacted because of the second wave in India, and particularly here in Goa. What one is looking at is what hoteliers are telling us is in that they are suffering monthly losses of going into multiple lakhs per month. They've tried approaching the government, but with the state already in a financial crunch, there seems to be very little hope as far as tourism is concerned for the next season in Goa.
दक्षिण गोवार काभोलेसीम रे एही स्वेच्छासेवी संगठन सेवा भली महामारी सह लड़िबा पई स्थानीय लोकमानक पदक्षेप नुआ आशार किरण देखाइछे।
So we had come together in order how we can help our village community to get them tested. We have got ambulance services. Then we have a testing facilities. So we take the client or the patient to the centers where the testing is.
कोरोना परिस्थिति सुधुरिबो आ पर्यटकंकर पुणी आगमन हेबो, पुणी जनजीवन सामान्य हेबो, ताहा एते शीघ्र संभवपर हेबा भली लागु नाही। तथापि विश्वास रहिछि जे खूब शीघ्र एही परिस्थिति एक दुस्वप्न भली दूर होई जिवो। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, न्यूज 18 ओडिया।